Today is July 9th, and there has been some updates here at the Opera House, right at the entrance of Disneyland. You guys can see there is some new signs for the new show, Walt Disney, A Magical Life, and great moments with Mr. Lincoln. These are removable, by the way, this one and also this one here. This is gonna be, oh, here comes some Minnie Mouse doing some meet and greets. But real quick, right over here, I wanted to show you guys another sign that has arrived as well. This is a really cool design. So if you saw my previous video I uploaded on the updates here at the Opera House, you saw these signs were not in that video just yet. This arrived probably yesterday or today. And this show, the building, the doors right here will open July 17th. So be on the lookout, because I definitely will be recording the new shows. And let me show you the backside of this one actually. Oh, it's the same thing as the front. There it is. This one up here remains the same, just like how I showed you in the video I uploaded a couple days ago. All right, guys, make sure to hit the like button, turn on notifications so you guys stay updated with all the updates here at Disneyland. Also, check out the description. I'll leave some links so you guys can follow me on Instagram and check out all the content for my channel members. Thank you guys for watching.